Welcome to Lima, Peru. Good day, sir. Good day.
Buenos días y buenos tardes.
Buenas noches for some of you, and buenas tardes
It depends on you.
for some of you as well. Mark Weeds, I'm coming for you. I can do this eating thing. I'm good at it. I'm good at it. I'll try not to use your mannerisms though. They're the strong tells for a good sandwich.
Do?
I wanted a chicken sandwich and somehow I ended up with this.
How'd you do that?
We'll explore what I got when we get back. All right, I'm without fork.
Don't worry. Got a fork somewhere around here. No, I got one. Aha! Leftover from the plate.
Leftover fork.
I knew it was gonna come in handy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, if you've been watching our videos, you would have seen that we were without fork. And
Time passed in Vegas.
yes, in Vegas. Let's fix this guy here. Let's fix it. Yeah, it says it's balanced. Don't complain. Okay. Okay, now I have a cerveza without an opener. So you gotta get creative. I'm gonna have to do this one off camera so I'm not incriminated. It's nice. So we kind of shook it up on the way home. Allie doesn't typically hold beers, so she didn't really know what was going on there. So I lost half. I lost half. But
Sorry, babe.
I don't know. Can you have beers on this channel?
Yeah.
Probably. All right, so we got the ahai. Salsa picante. Magnesia. This is the pill that you take, magnesium.
No,
No.
it's different. It's not a health pill.
And Viagra. No. Vinaigrette.
I would say
That's
probably
what it
not.
says. All right, I'm assuming the vinaigrette goes with the ensalada. Did you want some?
I had some.
Yeah,
Thank you.
was it good?
Yeah, it was nice. I
Good.
just love
What a
avocado.
surprise, right? We didn't think we were gonna get a salad tonight.
I know. It was a happy accident.
Yeah, I'll only put it on half. I do like the Peruvian corn though. There's so many different kinds of corn, and you just really never know what you're gonna get. Okay, this is like an egg roll, but it's got chicken and cheese inside. Look at that, chicken and cheese. And I set this half down. I want to say it goes with the ahai. Salsa picante. Yeah, let's open that one up. Yeah. Very nice. It's like a soft doughy egg roll, but with chicken and cheese inside. Okay. Let's try this guy. Quarter chicken. Who doesn't like rotisserie chicken? All right, we're gonna go with the ahai sauce. Look at that bite. A little piece of skin on there. You know, early on in my early years, I would take the skin off because I'm like, I'm gonna save myself some calories. But then I understand why you leave it on. Because of the flavor. Flav.
Okay, we made it back to Miraflores, and we are in the JW Marriott Miraflores, or Lima Miraflores, and we are going to get some food.
Walking in a winter land. In the meadow we can build a snowman.
Sandman. Apparently this is the best view of the water from any restaurant in all of Lima.
Is it Miraflores? Miraflores? Well, it's the most popular, especially if you get the Chili's sign in the shot down there with the waves.
There you go. Cheers to our adventure.
Cheers.
And many more. I think we're done with history for the day.
No more history. Time for the blueberry muffins.
What'd you say?
Okay, so in Lima, everything is slower. Definitely you need to figure out the new pace of life in Lima.
Probably all of South America?
Maybe, we don't know.
We'll find out.
But I figured I would call ahead, 20 minutes ahead, and just have them deliver my food to my table so I could sit down and eat.
We've been here for 1 hour.
Have we? It's been 50 minutes, and we have
Vino.
waiting. This is the same thing this morning. I sat down for 25 minutes, and we're like, "Can we put our order in? Help me! I know I have light skin, but please help me."
Jeremy's struggling to adjust. Jeremy's pet peeve is waiting. Jeremy does not like to wait.
Yes, waiting is not fun. It's pointless. Wasting my time.
He does too much work, too fast
Yes,
to wait.
time to go.
So the main reason we came here is because it is apparently the best view in all of Lima.
Steelhead trout. Steelhead trout. I have the steelhead trout with the cassava root. Cassava, if I'm not mistaken, is the same root that ricin, cyanide, comes from. But they actually use it for a lot of stuff. It just needs to be cooked really, really well. Maybe 13 hours.
Looks delicious. Oh my gosh. I'm so thankful for like really good food where you don't have to worry about if it's washed correctly. Mine is literally doused in oil. Everything in it is doused in oil. It's so good. Okay.
Mine's covered in coconut, like a coconut sauce, like coconut stew. It's lovely. How did they do it? How did we do it? Somehow we only paid $70. And we had 3 glasses of wine of 91 wine enthusiast Chilean wine just down the street. Steel trout, steel trout. Yes, beautifully wild steel trout. I think it's called steel trout. Yes, and a polenta to remember.
And bread.
Lots of yummy blueberry bread too. I don't know, we got some other stuff. Incredible. 5-star experience, 2-star prices, great day. Yeah, I got some coconut cookies. Unos 50. See how much. Yeah.
25.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
1.5 soles. Trying to figure out the math. Health food store. Bringing it home to you. It's going to be called Jeremy's and Margaritas coconut cookies. They're $1 each. I'm selling them all up and down the coast. Make so much money. It's going to be incredible. These are really nice. Very, very nice. Very nice treats. I mean, it's 40 cents for like 5. So they're like 10 cents each. Very good. Thank you. my gosh. Okay, I'm really excited to eat this. This is really hearty. Looks like we got a cop here giving some announcements. No, it's not a cop. It's a fruit stand bicycle, motorcycle. Oh my god, I love it. And they weigh everything. They weigh everything as you go. This is incredible. You can get your fruits weighed right in front of your house.
Las
Motorcycle.
frutas.
That is talk about innovation. You want to get a shot of that, babe?
I did.
Okay, good. All right. Chicha morada. It's like a corn drink. Wow. Wow. Very interesting. Okay, so it's got like the consistency of a really, really hearty, like Kool-Aid. Even thicker though, super thick. And it's got some really interesting notes to it. I really like it. It's sweet, but it's also got some distinctive characteristics. Like I can't really describe. I'm trying to think. Some teas have like it's not super bitter, but it has like a strong finish. And so this really stays in your mouth. Obviously, you can taste the sugar in it, but it's a fun drink. This would be, you know, an easy one to swap out like a Coca-Cola for, you know. All right, here we go. A chicharron. Chicharron. Sandwich fully loaded. There's a bunch of stuff in there. Looks like we've got different kinds of cheeses. We've got peppers. We've got onions. On like a nice hearty toasted bread. I think it's pork. It looks lovely. All right, here we go. Oh wow. There's like an au jus in there. It's really hearty. Everything you would expect from this sandwich. That's why it's so loved. It's a little bit of a mess. I think it's sweet potato, like sweet potato crisps or something, like fried sweet potatoes are baked instead of the cheese. That's definitely sweet potato. I really like it. This would be an easy thing to have often. It's really nice. I'm gonna enjoy this.
I absolutely love the Chicha morada, and I said it tasted like apple cider, and actually then I looked it up. Its second ingredient is an apple pear kind of combo. It's like unique to this area. The drink originated in the Anditas region, near the rainforest, the Amazon rainforest, and it's basically purple corn boiled with this this apple pear family plant, and then they add cloves and lots of other things, so it kind of tastes like apple cider, but a little bit more like potent and rich, like Jeremy was saying, kind of like the tea, like a herbal sweet tea, with some like sense of mulled wine, kind of. It's really nice, but it's very sweet. There's a lot of sugar in there.
Stick. Gotta give her something else. Give her a decent experience. Somewhere she can get gluten-free vegan. Can't give her the hamster on a stick, you know, to start off the journey. Gotta give her some salads, some polentas. Got a 5-star wife. Can't give her 3-star experiences. Won't last too long.
I like that, huh?